Our history runs down our rivers to the sea. Reminds us of the things that matter, home and hearth and history. And all our sins will be forgiven, washed away to set us free by the rivers that run through our homesteads, by myth and modal melody. I trace these rivers from the cities to the seas to remind me what I already know. I trace the shoreline through 1,000 estuaries to remind me an island is my home, an island is my home. Travelled far across this country, Northumberland to southern Downs. I wandered up the rolling Humber and down the Thames to London town. And countless lives were lived and lingered in the Cotswolds and the Fells, and left a tapestry called England, life and those who lived it well. I trace these rivers from the cities to the seas to remind me what I already know. I trace the shoreline